In this video, I'm going to show you how to make pop-up notifications stay longer on screen on Samsung. To do this, simply navigate to Settings application. In Settings application, locate the section for Accessibility. In Accessibility, go to Advanced Settings. In here, to adjust the duration of display of pop-up notifications on screen, go to Time to take action. This section will then provide you various variation of time. We have the default time, 10 seconds display, 30 seconds display, 1 minute display, or 2 minutes display. Select based on your preference. For this video, let's say that we will use 10 seconds. By doing this, notifications and pop-up on my phones will now show for 10 seconds on my screen. And that's about it. That's how to make pop-up notifications stay longer on screen on Samsung. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.